Welcome to G0355 Queens Road in Melbourne. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for lease with a car space and a storage cage. So here's the kitchen. It's got your stained bench tops, dishwasher, stainless steel appliances, plenty of storage. Got your video intercom there. Here's your bathroom / laundry. You've got your shower over bath, basin and laundry with tub and dryer. Your main living area, so there's a dining area here, lounge area, so plenty of space, which leads out to your huge courtyard. So you could sit out here, enjoy a summer's day, or even a winter's day undercover, because that's huge. And here's another pan around of the property itself. Also does have ducted heating and cooling. Here's the first bedroom. Spacious. It's got your mirrored built-in robes. Here's your main bedroom. As you can see, it's quite spacious. You've also got a little alcove here, so perfect for storage, even a desk, etc. And again, it's got the mirrored built-in robes. So this property is available now, and the facilities in this building are actually quite good. There is a gym, there is a pool, and there's a communal garden. So be quick to inspect. This won't last long.